Okay, now must be teach you learn the spare parts name and the function for each spare parts. First, after you got the print package, you can find the spare parts package like this. And then before we install the printer, the Focus Cobra printer, we need to first open the package, and we can find some spare parts. So first, we can find out this kind of driver, the pinch driver. This is for we install and release the cap station for the print head later. So this we must know. This is used for install the cap station for the printer head. And also we can find out some syringe injection, 2 pieces, 1 for each print head. This is for push the air. We push the air to the print head to flush the ink from the print head. And this is just for maintenance, just for the support using. Normally we not need this one because we already have the push button for the printer. We already have the print head cleaning button from here. This is the RCL, LCL. RCL means right print head cleaning. LCL means left print head cleaning. So this is for manual to clean the print head, and this is for automatically to clean the print head. So this is just for test. And also you'll find the pinch roller, 1 suit of extra pinch roller. Like this. This just used for install on the print on the back side of the printer. Later we used to print on the big size cardboard using. So this is just for backup. And you will find there's some screwdriver, a screw, and the wrench for backup. And the clean tissue to clean the printing head surface. And 1 ink pump to install to replace the print head for clean the print head using. And the long screwdriver to install the printer. And the wrench for each size. We must prepare this before we install the printer. So this is the spare parts you will got, and you will also got some spare parts. You will also got the metal cover, metal box, the metal holder. Like this. This is used for we put on the bottom of the print head to hold the waste ink. Once we do cleaning, if we push the button here, we must put before we push the button here, we must put this cover at the bottom of the print head to hold the waste ink from the print head using. And when it's full, we can take out and we can release it. So this is the waste ink cover. You will also get from the package. And then before we use the printer, we also need to prepare the ink. The print we use 4 color model: KCMY, black, cyan, magenta, and yellow. And the ink have pigment base and dye base. So you need to confirm what kind of ink you load to the printer. The pigment and the dye ink cannot mix together. That means if you printer use one kind of, for example, right now the printer you already filled with dye ink, you cannot put the pigment ink to the printer. That means 2 ink cannot mix together. Otherwise, it will be easier to clog print head and also make the print color is not original. So this is very important. And also because the print head is 1Q system inside. It's not like an Epson print head. It's HP print head. It's bubble jet, and we must fill the ink before we delivery. So please confirm with the Focus sales team to fix what kind of ink you need to fill on the printer before we deliver. And also, when the ink is running out, you must use the same ink to refill to the printer. So the ink you will also get from the package. This is the dye-based ink for magenta and for black and cyan and yellow. So we have 4 color KCMY. We have 4 color for KCMY. And if you are the first time to buy the machine, must be strongly recommended you to take no less than 3 sets of ink for each color, because the machine prints very quickly. Once the ink is running out, but you not fill the ink immediately to the print head, it will short and also will damage the print head. The print head cost is more expensive than the ink. So this is the tips. Okay, so this is all the spare parts you can get from the package, and you need to know the parts name for each. Please, you must learn all the details from the user manual before you install the printer. Thank you.